Victor Spiritual Teaching, Chapter 22, Willingness and Determination. Even though the spiritual opening is well underway and the person has begun to feel God's energy in his body, in meditations, and also in his daily life, there can be a hopelessness and resignation in the process. This can happen if there is a long time between times of progress, which often come in leaps and bounds. Sometimes it is if nothing is happening and it seems that no progress is being made. Under these conditions, the awakened person may begin to distance himself from the process and stop practicing his meditation and prayers. And then there may be a pause in the process and/or surrender. As mentioned before, this is usually a slow process where the body and mind need time to adjust to a new and higher energies so that nothing gets out of balance. There is no need to fear that this will happen too quickly, because the opening will never happen faster than the person can handle. But it can slow down the process or even stop if the awakened person is not always firm and lacks the willpower needed to go all the way. Often the most important thing in the transformation is when the person does not perceive anything, because that means the body and mind are in progress of transformation without the person even perceiving it. Then big changes come suddenly and the energy rises dramatically, and perception can happen quickly when the change comes to the surface. Therefore, it is always important to firm and hold on to the willpower and keep going. One should avoid going off the rails and always keep one's thoughts and love and positive. Hopelessness and self-pity should be avoided, because this slows down the process and eventually leads to surrender and procrastinations. Everything has its time. It is those who are steadfast and hold on to willpower who make it all the way, while the others fall behind and postpone their journey indefinitely. As mentioned before, all souls will go through the process eventually. It is only a matter of time. Many people live busy lives, they work long hours, and running the home is demanding and takes time. But in such circumstances, it is good to set aside a fixed time for yourself and your spiritual journey and opening. Time to meditate and pray and to self-cultivate, because this will lead the results that come steadily. It is all matter of priorities, but as the opening increases, the daily course becomes easier, whether it's the work or running the home. Therefore, there is a lot to gain from the continuing the journey and not giving up even the wind blows against us. But as mentioned before, spiritual opening takes a few years to several lifetimes, and all of this is up to each individual. The person who is persistent and works hard will eventually reap and experience a perfect spiritual opening. He will flow with the energy of God in his life, and life will flow comfortably without conflict. And the problems will be trivial compared to what was before. This is open to those who have the willpower, the desire, and the courage.